welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to import CSV flashcards into Anki Mobile. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to import CSV flashcards in Anki Mobile, all you gotta do is simply go to Anki Mobile. Once you're in your Anki Mobile, you need to simply tap it on, and after doing this you can simply prepare your CSV on a computer. Later, you need to sync it to your iOS device via your Files app or the AirDrop. Then simply tap the CSV file, which should prompt Anki Mobile to open and guide you through the import process with options for field mapping and deck selection. If direct import fails, you can use the desktop Anki apps file. You can import function first, sync the collection via AnkiWeb, Cloud Sync, and then access the newly created deck on Anki Mobile. So this is how you can simply do it. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.